So here we have example 1. Let's go with Panos. What's my first step here?
You have to like move all the variables.
Yeah, so just do that for me. You're correct. We're gonna rearrange them.
Yeah, so like the 2A would go with like nothing, like there's no other 8.
Yep.
The 4C would go with 3C.
4C, is it plus or minus 3C?
What?
There you go. And then what else?
Then the 6Y would go with nothing.
Yep.
And then the 7 would go with 3.
Is it 7 minus 3 or 7 plus 3?
7 minus.
7 minus 3. There you go. So we've rearranged everything. And then what's the next step? Let's go with Wyatt.
Combine it.
Combine it. And then just combine them for me. So obviously the A stays by itself, but the C's turn into...
7C.
And then the 6Y is by itself, but the 7 minus 3 turns into...
4.
There you go. And then... Oh, whoops. And then are we able to factor this expression?
No.
No, we're not. We have this 7. That's prime. It's not even. Can't be divided by 7. So this is your answer right here. Why is my pen doing that?
It's so much shorter.
Huh?
Homework is like much shorter.
Yeah, the homework is that.
I like how
That was easy.
Yeah, all right. So example 2, I'll give some tickets out to whoever can decipher this. This one is going to be different because now we have introduced fractions to our problem. Thank you. 5y. And then we're adding. Where's your late slip? All right, so we've introduced fractions as our coefficients for the letter x, or the variable x. Anybody, let me grab some tickets first. Does anybody want to attempt? Let's go with Alex, get me started.
So 2 over 11x goes with negative 3 over 11x.
So it's going to be 2 over 11x minus 3 over 11x. And that will turn into negative 1 over 11x. That's correct. Keep going.
And then the 5y, the negative 5y and plus 5y. That's just going to equal y?
Nope.
Or,
It actually equals 0, right? Because if it equals y, it implies it's a 1y. So if it cancels out, it's just nothing. So in a way, it's plus 0, which you don't have to write. And then keep going, Alex.
negative 3 plus 5.5.
Negative 3 plus 5.5. And that turns into a positive
2.5.
positive 2.5. Can you factor that? No, you can't. No, you can't. There you go. That is your answer. No, I wouldn't. I don't want you to put 0, but if you do, I guess I won't stop you. So, right, we combine like terms here in green, combine like terms here in blue, and then combine like terms in red. So just because there's fractions and as a coefficient and decimals, it doesn't mean we can't continue to do the same steps as always. So let's do example 3, where now we're just given an expression with all decimals. So example 3, we have negative 14.2b, 97.35. D minus 11, whoops, 7 minus 3.4D. All right, so we have this problem here. Again, same steps, even though they're decimals. Who wants for tickets? Xavier, you want to try it?
Sure.
What do we got here?
What? Oh, for the... Where's the B?
There's only one B? You
Yeah,
got,
so so the B, you put that by itself.
yep, so the B is gonna go by itself.
B is next, and then that's, is it 3.36, and then you do 6.76,
Oh.
and then you subtract it.
I got you, I see what you did,
And
yeah,
then
yeah.
that's what it is, though. No, but
Yeah, but then when you subtract it, what do you get?
3.36.
3.36D, right?
And then
So
at
you,
the end,
and at the end it's gonna be?
you get 97.35.
Negative 97.
And then you subtract it.
Yep, minus,
118.7.
yep. Right, so the 14B we can just bring down because it's by itself. Or sorry, 14.2B. And then remember that when we rearrange things, we want to keep, oh, whoops. We want to keep the addition in between our terms unless it's a negative value, right? So we're going to add here because this is positive. But Xavier, when we do this subtraction over here, is it going to be a positive or negative value?
Negative?
Yeah, so we can either add a negative or we can just subtract. Same thing. And then Xavier, 97.35 minus 118.7.
Wait, would you be?
You're combining debt. So you owe money to your dad, you owe money to your mom, you would add it up together, and your answer would be,
Oh, I didn't do that.
huh?
I haven't done
I think
Oh.
we subtract.
I haven't done it either, to be honest.
2.16.0.
Hey.
2.16. Is like when the variables.
What'd you get, Sophia?
2.16.05.
That is correct. Minus
Is putting
216.05. I really don't want to factor that, to be honest. I don't think it
Yeah,
can
me
be.
too.
All right, cool. We're not going to. Woo! What'd you say, Foss?
Is putting the variables in alphabetical order, is it like mandatory or is it just like a...
I'm gonna start making it mandatory just because it's gonna help you out when you get to higher level math. Like technically, no, it's considered an equivalent expression, but you want to be able to, especially when you start getting with exponents. So like for example, if you have exponents, like if this was b squared, you're really gonna want to put it in order, not only alphabetical but also decrease largest to smallest exponents. So like if I had this kind of expression right here, x, like 4x squared minus 3x plus 4, I would want to go, this is technically exponent of 1. This is an exponent of 1. So you would go x squared, x to the power of 1, and then your constant, which is the power of 1. Yeah. All right, so example 4. Again, we have fractions, and this is what's going to be on your quiz, I believe, is we got to be able to add and subtract and rearrange fractions.
Do we still have to find common denominator?
If you're adding and subtracting fractions, yes.
You have to find a common denominator.
Yeah, when you are adding and subtracting
Did you
fractions.
just answer that?
I did just like literally. All right, I got tickets here again.
Yay.
So let's rearrange it. Let's go with Juju. I want you to rearrange it so that we can just put the like terms together. She's got it.
You have to say something.
All right, Juju, what's the first step?
Okay, so first step is going to be negative 1 over 6 10 plus 7 over 10. And then it's going to be plus, and then plus, in parentheses 5t plus 9t.
Yep.
Plus, parentheses 3 over 8 plus 1 over 4.
There you go. So we rearranged our like terms. We have constants. We have the variable m. And we have the variable t. I love color coordinating things. All right, Juju, would you like to keep going? No? All right, who wants a chance at tickets?
Again, please, Josh, me again. Can I get it again?
Let's go, Josiah.
Yeah.
All right, Josiah. Walk me through it, Josiah. Yeah.
I'm like done.
Josiah, let's go.
Yeah, no, I didn't even know how to do the fraction part, to be honest.
I'm not sure.
Common denominator, my guy.
Oh, yeah!
What's it going to be if you choose a common denominator?
No, I got to go by 10, right? So, like,
You could do 5. No. Wait, I'm an idiot. Yeah. All right, it's 10. So it's going to be 60.
I'm a teenager.
Thank you, Xavier.
Wait, can you do 5? Or I'm sorry, can't you do
We can do 3.
Oh my God, no, yeah, that's what I was right. Okay,
What did he say?
you can do
said
30.
you can do 5.
6 times 5.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Nah, yeah, I'm tripping too.
GCF?
Greatest, no, this is the
Wait. Oh,
LCD.
yeah.
These, yeah, okay.
And then, like, you gotta do it to the top. So,
Yep.
like, it's gonna be 5 over 30.
Negative 5 over 30.
5 over 30, and then it's gonna be like,
I'm gonna give you the show.
What? No talking.
35 over 30.
No, because you're multiplying by 3, so you would multiply 7 by 3, and 7 times 3 is
Yeah, 21.
21. There you go. So, let's do that later. Let's go over to the blue side,
Bro.
and let's find a common denominator for the blue side.
14T for the
All right, Josiah, so what's my common denominator over there?
like 8.
8. So the 3 over 8 stays the same, but the 1/4 turns into
The 1/4 turns into a 2.
2. Yep, there you go. And then in the middle, the red one, 5 plus 9t equals. You, Josiah?
Yeah, I didn't think so.
There you go. So we have 14t. All right, so now we just got to add up these fractions, and we should be good.
So the first one is gonna
Yep.
be like 16 over 30n.
And then you can reduce that by dividing the top and bottom by 2.
Flip. Hey, don't say that.
So we can reduce 16 over 30, Josiah, to
8
over.
or am I?
Yeah, 8 over.
And then the other one is like
8 over what?
8 over 15.
And what letter? What letter? What variable? I just started dying. M, and it's going to be plus.
I don't even know.
I'm very concerned.
Keep going.
We can't reduce that. 21 over 30n.
Well, no, Josiah, you added these two fractions together. You got 16 over 30, and then you reduced it. So we are done with this part. You got it?
And we're also done with the others.
And then we're going to add 14t, and then we still have to add our final fraction, which will be,
It'll be 5 over 8.
that is correct.
You're so right. Wait, where? Is it for the first one?
There's a little bit of struggles, but give me my tickets.
There you go.
A lot of fun.
All right, example 5. Example 5 is a little tougher. We have a rectangle, and I would really appreciate it if you guys drew it. And we're going to label width, and we're going to label length. And they're the same on each side. Ask the book. So the width of the rectangle is 5x minus 2.5. So we're going to replace this right here with 5x minus 2.5, and this is going to be 5x minus 2.5. These problems, it's really going to help if you just diagram it out. And the length is our length. We're going to replace our length with 2.5x plus 8, and that's the top and bottom. And it really doesn't matter which way you draw the rectangle. You could draw the rectangle like this.
Which way is easier?
Yeah, I like them this way, the horizontal way. All right, and then the question says, find the perimeter of the rectangle, and we want to answer it and then simplify it. So what is perimeter? Is that when we multiply? Yep, perimeter is when you add up. There's really two ways you can write it. You can go length plus width plus length plus width, or you can combine like terms, and it's going to be 2L
Perimeter.
plus 2w. These are the same thing.
Rob, it's just two alphas. So you combine it. Oh, they're all X.
How is something negative feet? Huh?
What do you
Rob, you
mean?
just combine all the X's.
Like 2.5.
It's not that it's negative. It's
Like below
So do we-
because
below sea level.
if x is 1, so basically the value of x would have to be greater than or equal to 0. No, 1. 1. Because if 5 is 1, then the length is 2.5 feet if you subtract. All right, so we're going to use this formula right here. Or actually, geez. Which way do you guys like better? Do you guys, the bottom? All right, the bottom one? Yeah, so what we're doing here is on the sides, you have your width. So you're going to take your perimeter formula. And our width right here, we're going to plug in the 2. And we're going to plug in the W. Whoops. So we're going to plug in our width. And then we have to add our length. So it's going to be times 2. And then our length is on the top and the bottom. So it's going to be 2.5x plus 8. All right, now we got to distribute. So who wants to distribute for me? Foss, distribute for me.
Okay. 10x and then -5.
10x minus 5. And then over here, And then over here, it's going to be plus 5x plus 16. And then now we're able to combine like terms. So if I combine like terms, keep going, Foss.
It would be 15x.
15x
And then 11.
plus or minus. Plus. And then can we simplify this? No, we cannot simplify that. So this is our answer.
Oh, yeah.
You guys all got that?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, I got you, X. There's a TV right there, man. Oh, okay. I got you.
You're not supposed to see your face, Rob.
Of course. All right, example 6. I'll give tickets again to anyone who can solve this. Whoever hasn't gotten tickets.
I didn't have tickets.
Not Wyatt.
Bro, what? Come on, definitely care, Ross.
What happened?
Everyone wants to. Never mind.
Oh,
Don't we all, Isaac? Put it in the closet.
already, and then score.
Okay.
Just kidding. I'm allergic.
So, Sophia, do you want tickets?
Score.
All right, Sophia, walk me through this problem.
First, you have to do the x divided by the first,
Okay.
and it's -4 plus -0.3, so it's -4.3x.
Whoa. I got you. I wrote it wrong. Minus 0.3s. And then,
Plus, and then d -3.5 d plus 4.1 c, and then 4.5 minus 7.1.
awesome. Now combine like terms for me. All right, got you. I'll color coordinate for you so it looks coquette. I don't think I used that right, but who cares? Oh, sweet. I'm learning. Who am I learning from? 12-year-old girls. It is. Okay, so it's going to be 4 point. It's not going to be 4.3s. It's going to be
Oh, and -4.3.
negative 4.3s. And then we're going to add it to, or maybe subtract it. It could be subtraction. I'll let you decide.
Plus 0.6 t negative.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Positive.
I'm tripping, bro.
Yeah, bro. Are you geeking?
Okay. I'm geeking. All right. And then the last one is going to be,
You mean like count 20?
Count to 20.
1. 2.
2.6. Negative 2.6. And that is your answer.
Wait, can I just put the plus in there? Like,
Ross, we're
plus
not
negative
factoring
2.6?
it. Like anything.
Yeah, the same thing.
This, Alex, no, you're right. We can't factor this.
This was the last question. We're done.
Your homework is, I have to make this pretty. Sorry. Yeah, you'll get a new book really soon.
And the shop.
Basically. Nope.
No, the paper's easy. I had like 4 of them done.
Yeah, the only thing is I don't have the paper.
Ha.
Ross, can you do IXL? It's big.
No, we got to split it up.
I need help.
If we did.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Yesterday we had the worksheet. That was kind of.
So if you have a 3-day lesson, you get a worksheet, IXL, and bookwork. If you have a 2-day lesson, it's IXL and bookwork.
What about a 1 day?
1-day lesson, I don't do 1-day lessons. That is not